Hello everyone, I'm Xiaowen Chen from PPM Works. Welcome to our webinar today. And today I will be talking about how to configure plan type and fields in OnePlan. As you may know already, OnePlan is a powerful integrated project and portfolio management platform that can help your business to optimize and carry out your strategy using strong collaboration and management tools. Let's get into our demo environment. So here is the main page to look at for the project. We can see here they show all the plan types, the names, the business units, and then all the information you can collect for the project. And today we want to talk about how to configure it, the plan types and fields. So let's get into the configuration page, which you click this gear icon on here. We will be going over two main parts today, generals and fields. Let's start with the plan types. Here you can see a really basic hierarchy, which shows portfolio made of programs and then programs made of projects. You can think of project as an individual task, while portfolio are company-wide goals. Let's create a plan type. I'm going to create a lowest level project type, and then let's put it down into the program. From here, we can see you can create a name, and then you can select how you want to start with some number prefix or something like that. I'm going to call this plan type an additional project. And we can really basically edit. So from here, we can see additional project name already added under our program level. So let's go back to the main page and refresh the page. From the hierarchy, we can see additional project name already added into our hierarchy. So for this hierarchy, it's really simple structure, but it's really important to keep your OnePlan hierarchy as simple as possible. So you can for train your entire company for the structure, so they're on the same page. So now look at the field tab. Where your plan fields are here, and you can think of fields in OnePlan like the header of the columns in an Excel sheet. In other words, these are the category of data in each project, program, or portfolio, and can be customized for each project, each program, and each portfolio. Here we see a lot of fields already in the demo environment. You can see these include all data you might need to document for a project, such as benefits, which is in currency, or some resources types, which in user types. And then even you can set up your goals as a choice value here for individual projects. Let's create a new field. Let's call it additional name. Some of the project might have additional names. And from here, you can see you can input the description for this field. And then also you can select what type you want for this field. For example, for dates fields, you can select dates or more. For resources fields, you can select user, which the user resources name will pull from the resource pool in OnePlan. And in this field, I wanted a really simple, short text field, so I select text. And you can select whether you require all the users to fill in this name or not, or is a read-only field or not. Let's save this field. So from here, we can see additional name field is added. So let's look at it more deeper. From here, we can see internal name change to the field name. And then we need to pay a really attention on this is the internal name. You cannot change it in the future. So if you want to change the internal name, you need to delete the whole field and re-edit it again. So what we want to set up for the field name, we want it as short, as clear, and as simple as possible for all the users to understand. Let's go back to the main page. Let's click in one of the project detail page to look. Here is all the fields will go in, and we can see they have choice values, and then you can put in priority fields to select, and also some text fields. And all the fields can be customized in different structure in the plan detail page. So it's really important for you to understand which field you actually need in this page. You don't want to make it really long, and then there are a lot of fields that you will not need in the future. And this is all I want to show you for this webinar. Today, we cover about how to create a plan type and then plan fields. If you want to set up a test or demo environment, please contact us. If you are looking for more information about OnePlan, please subscribe and then watch another available webinar on the PPM Works YouTube channel in the future. And thank you for your watching.